Hello, I dey welcome una come this ogbonge news for Procyon radio and television. My name na Michael Praise. Keyamo come dey react as CGN come dey tell Tinubu make him prepare for another election. Former Minister of State for Labour and Employment Festus Keyamo come say he never think am say as other parties no win e fit lead to depression. He talk say instead of us to dey wait for judiciary make dem perform our constitutional role for the electoral process, say opposition party members don dey talk so many things and dem dey give am their own meaning. He dey react to wetin Chief Justice of Nigeria CGN Olukayode Ariwoola tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the APC members say make dem prepare for another election rerun. To cite Tinubu mean say our Nigerian democracy don die. Justice Ugo for one statement say to side dis government on dis matter go kill Nigerian democracy. He say he no go fit keep quiet because of that he come resign from im office wey come shock every Nigerian. The tribunal go deliver judgment for the petition by Atiku, Peter Obi and APN the same day. The Presidential Election Petition Court can reserve judgment on top the matter from Allied People Movement, where them say make them cancel President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Shetima victory for the 2023 election. The tribunal can reserve the judgment concerning APM matter so that them go talk am the same day with Peter Obi and Atiku Abubakar matter where them talk concerning the 2023 election because all the matter resemble. And with that, we don't come to the end of the ogbonge Pidgin news for Procyon radio and television. My name now Michael Praise. And until next time, make una dey shine like the star una be.